When people talk about protecting the home, the conversation usually comes back to preparation and flexibility. What financial advisors say about protecting your home. In this quick video, we'll look at the practical thinking behind that advice and why it matters for homeowners.
First, why the home is central to a family's financial plan. This part matters because it gives homeowners the basic framework they need before they start comparing products or making assumptions.
Second, the role of income protection in housing stability. This is usually the part that helps people move from general worry to a much clearer picture of what their choices actually are.
Finally, why flexibility matters in financial planning. The bigger point here is not fear. It is making sure the people you care about have options, flexibility, and a little more breathing room if life does not go according to plan. And if you want the full explanation, the blog walks through the rest step by step.
Thanks for watching. We hope this helped you understand a little more about how mortgage protection can keep your family and your home secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more quick, easy-to-understand videos about protecting what matters most. And if you'd like to see more, you can watch our next videos right here on the screen.